Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about the importance of back-end development. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Importance of back-end development. Back-end development is a critical aspect of web and application development, encompassing the server-side logic, databases, and APIs that power the front end. Its importance can be outlined in several key areas. Number 1, functionality and logic. The back-end is responsible for the core functionality of a web application. It handles business logic, processes requests from the front end, and performs operations like calculations, data storage, and retrieval. Without a robust back-end, the application cannot function properly, no matter how well designed the front end is. Number 2, database management. Back-end development involves managing databases which store and organize data. Efficient database management ensures that data is stored securely and can be retrieved quickly. Back-end developers design the schema, optimize queries, and ensure data integrity and consistency. Number 3, security. Security is a crucial aspect of back-end development. Back-end developers implement authentication, authorization, data encryption, and other security measures to protect user data and prevent unauthorized access. They also safeguard against common vulnerabilities such as SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and cross-site request forgery. Number 4, scalability and performance. A well-defined backend ensures that the application can scale to accommodate increasing numbers of users and handle large amounts of data. Backend developers optimize performance by improving server response times, balancing loads, and using efficient algorithms and data structures. Number 5, integration and third-party services. Many applications rely on third-party services for functionality such as payment processing, email notification, or social media integration. Back-end developers create and manage APIs that allow the application to interact seamlessly with these services. Number 6, data analytics and processing. Back-end systems often handle the data analytics and processing tasks. They can aggregate, analyze, and generate reports from large data sets, providing variable insights for businesses and users. This aspect is essential for applications that require data-driven decision-making. Number 7, user management and personification. Back-end development includes creating and managing user accounts, profiles, and sessions. It enables personalized user experiences by storing preferences, tracking activity, and serving customized content. Number 8, API development. Back-end developers create APIs that enable different parts of the application to communicate and work together. These APIs can also be used by third-party developers to integrate with the application, extending its functionality in reach. Number 9, reliability and maintenance. Back-end systems must be reliable with minimal downtime and quick recovery from failures. Back-end developers implement monitoring and logging and error handling mechanisms to maintain the health and performance of the system. Number 10, coordination and front-end development. While back-end and front-end development are distinct, they must work in harmony. Back-end developers ensure that the data and functionality exposed by the back-end can be effectively utilized by the front-end, resulting in a seamless user experience. In conclusion, back-end development is foundational to the success of any web or mobile application. It ensures that the application is functional, secure, scalable, providing a solid foundation upon which the front-end can build an engaging and user-friendly interface. As such, back-end development is a critical component of the overall development process. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is the importance of back-end development. Thank you so much for watching guys. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.